safe and well. From the last couple of months, we have seen this COVID-19, how it impacted not only India, across the globe and across the industries. Now, I'm going to touch upon very specific to FM industry. Now, it has impacted the organizations, and we looked at alternate options. How do we enable business? So, I would like to discuss on three critical things as an FM. One is alignment, second thing is collaboration, and third one is innovation and leadership. So we need to understand now how the companies want to run their business, where the organization strategies are going to be, objectives are going to be. The first thing is a critical aspect for FM is to create a safe work environment for people to function as well as to business to carry out. So that's going to be a critical area where we need to focus on. Wellness at office or wellness at workplace is going to be road ahead, creating that. The cultural change we need to bring in with respect to the health and safety is going to be very critical for us. We have to understand the organization mission and values, align ourselves with that, and bring in the change. There has to be a change in the behavior. There has to be, when we are looking at designing our office spaces or redesigning, it has to also consider the human factor element, which will increase the productivity, efficiency, in the same time take care of the health and safety aspect. So we need to discuss with leadership team to understand the way forward for the business, the changes which going to bring in, the way they want to lead the organization and align ourselves to that. The collaboration is very critical because we are a function within the organization, connected to everybody within the organization, all the other functions. So we need to integrate with HR, finance, IT and other business units to ensure that we understand their needs, their expectations, and we align and work together. Today we are able to successfully support work from home because we've been working with the IT team, we have been working with the finance team and HR team to enable work from home solutions. And during this time it also proved that the FM leaders have stand out and ensured there is a business connectivity, aligning with the organization, aligning with the business units, aligning with the cross function, also with end users. So collaboration is going to be key forward going ahead. And the third one is innovation and technology. We need to relearn, relook. Adaptability is going to be very critical for us. How do we adapt to the changes? How do we address this kind of pandemic changes going ahead? How do we build our facility which is robust, which can take care of these things? How can we design our workplace environment which is safe for people to function? And going forward, how do you create a social distancing at workplace? How do you bring in the culture of safety? So technology is going to play a very critical role in bringing in these changes and also making our workplace a touch-free workplace. And we are looking at safety. How can we create our workplace a touch-free workplace going forward? And we've been discussing about collaborative workplace, but how do we ensure that we maintain the safety aspect having the collaborative workplace? Or common areas. Mobility, employee mobility is one of the key area which is going to be immensely affected. That how do we redefine employee mobility services? How do we integrate technology? We have thermal screening, we have been doing all these initiatives for now. So when people are returning back to work, what is the strategy we are going to follow? How do we align the technology to our services? How do we measure our performance? This is going to be very critical. Innovation is a key for success and technology is a road ahead, I would say. We also need to ensure that we need to balance between the organization needs, stakeholder needs and also employees. We need to start looking at aligning ourselves with the balanced scorecard, looking at things from a financial perspective, what is the cost I'm going to spend, and also from employee perspective, customer perspective, what are the needs and expectations, how do I create that value addition for the customer delight, and the business process excellence, what is my turnaround time, how do I define the KPIs, how do I measure the metrics, and innovation and leadership perspective, typically how am I creating my place for the future needs. How do I integrate the technology to deliver the services efficiently and effectively? It's not going to be easy. I'm sure that all of us put effort. We learn from each other. We should look at what are the technologies available, how do we integrate, what are the benchmarking industries has been made during this COVID time. What should be our return to work procedure or the policies? We need to define that We need to create more awareness. Safety, health and safety is going to be the primary key for us now to focus, and how do we integrate technology in enabling of services is going to be very critical. Let's focus, let's support each other, and let's help each other, and let's build a greater FM fraternity which can stand out at a global level and help each other. Thank you all, stay safe.